Hey everyone! In today's video, I'm going to show you how to save your Canva designs as SVG files. This is especially useful if you're working on logos, icons, or anything that needs to stay crisp and scalable no matter the size. So yeah, let's dive right in. First, make sure your design is open in Canva. Then head over to the top right corner of the screen and click on the Share button. This is where you'll find all the options for exporting your project. From the menu that pops up, select Download. By default, Canva usually sets the file type to PDF standard or something similar, but what we want is the SVG option. So click on the file type menu and scroll until you see SVG. Now, quick note, SVG downloads are only available for Canva Pro users. If you're on the free version, you won't see this option, but if you do have Pro, go ahead and select SVG. The great thing about this format is that it keeps your design sharp at any size, which makes it perfect for responsive web design or professional printing. Once you've selected SVG, just click the download button. Canva will process it for a moment and then your file will be saved directly to your computer. And that's it. You've successfully saved your Canva design as an SVG file. Having your work in vector format gives you maximum flexibility, whether you're editing further in other design software or making sure your logo looks perfect on everything from a tiny phone screen to a huge banner. Thanks for watching. I hope this helped, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.